What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I would like to let you guys know that if you are a Trusted Signals lifetime member, you now have access to the Trend Meter bot, okay? The Trend Meter bot, which is going to go ahead and give you the back-testable results, such as these right here on the BTC 1 hour chart, okay? And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get access to the bot itself, which, as you guys can see here, has been published already. You guys already can go ahead and start using the bot and start playing with it, so that way you guys can find results such as this. Plus, in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and give you the exact settings for the BTC 1 hour chart, okay? That is literally giving you a profit factor for every dollar you lose. You're making $33 back. It is 73% profitable, and then has a crazy net profit percentage off of only risking 10%, as you guys can see right here. This is all gonna go ahead and give you all built-in risk management. Obviously, as you guys can see here, this would have entered you in BTC at $52,000 and exited earlier today at around $64,000. Hit TP1, TP2, TP3, and kept you in this trade, and then eventually hit trailing stop. And now we are in a bit of a sell, okay? But keep in mind that with the settings that I'm gonna go ahead and give you today, it is longs only. So if you're bullish on crypto, you're gonna wanna go ahead and get this, because this trend meter is gonna go ahead and literally give you every single bit of bullish momentum. And this is one of the reasons why I think that this thing is crazy, okay? So keep in mind that when you get a Trusted Signals buy, TP1, TP2, TP3, this will be automated, okay, guys, with Automated Trader, okay? If you guys are not familiar with Automated Trader, you guys can go to automatedtrader.com, and essentially it's going to go ahead and be a webhook system that is going to go ahead and give you the ability to take any single Trusted Signals buy or sell and turn it into a complete bot for you. Okay, and keep in mind that if you guys would have used my code Trusted Signals, my code Chris P, you're gonna go ahead and get access to this for $650 off. And when they release the API, okay, guys, all of you guys who are in the chat, I know that it's been a bunch of delays. Where is Automated Trader? Where is Automated Trader? We have now seen that they have added the API, okay, as you guys can see here, API is working. If you're in the United States, use the broker down link below, because it's going to go ahead and still have the ability for you to trade using MT4 and MT5. That link is down below. The broker's name is Ventura. We have partnered with them. So we are going to be testing everything this week using the new alerts, which have just been updated. And my next video, I'm going to go ahead and hopefully have some results for you, showing you guys the proof in the pudding. And like I said, when this thing releases, if you guys are a lifetime member in Automated Trader and TS, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a Zoom call, set you up, show you exactly how to use the systems. And really quick, before I go into how to get access to the bot, keep in mind that we have now updated the version of the basic webhook. Obviously, the advanced webhook is for Trusted Signals V2, V3, and most of our systems. But the basic has now got a new look for you that wanted, for those that wanted to go ahead and see exactly what the difference is essentially you can go ahead and create an order, okay, with one alert, and then update with one alert, and then close your trade with another update. So this is very good for those who are using tools that don't have built-in money management and things like that, because it's gonna go ahead and give you entries depending on where your risk management is, right? And then you can also do fixed loss, your stop loss, your take profits on whatever strategy or whatever alert system you use. And then you're also gonna be able to set up multiple alerts to update or move your stop loss, and then ultimately close your order as well, right? So this thing is simply amazing, and you can easily set this up. I will show you how to use this in another video. Now, if you guys are a Trusted Signals member, all right, obviously right now is the time to do that. It's $4.99, and it will not be $4.99 when Automated Trader releases, because I do believe that you should be able to go ahead and get results like this, right? 73% profitable. So essentially, the price is going to go up because of the simple fact is Trusted Signals is going to go ahead and make you money hands-free, okay? Keep in mind that if you would have started this account with this amount, you would be up, we're talking about $560,000, $560 $1,000 on a $100,000 account, okay, in the last 3-4 months, which is completely ridiculous. And you're only risking 10% per trade. So before I go ahead and give you these settings, if you are a lifetime member, obviously what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to the website, click log in. Okay. Once you click log in, as you guys can see here, you must have an active membership. Okay. And I want to go ahead and say this multiple times. When you sign in to trustedsignals.com, please use the same email that you used at checkout when you purchased Trusted Signals, okay? Because if you do not use the same email, your membership will not be active. You will not be able to get access to the Tradingview indicators or bots neither, okay? So that is my biggest thing. Use the same email, okay? Now, once you see that your membership is active, okay, and if your membership is not active, just message me on Discord and I will go ahead and get you locked in. And as far as it goes, right, Tradingview username, you're going to be able to go ahead and pretty much search for your Tradingview username, which is very simple. Once you find your your Tradingview username, all you have to do is click Get Access. Once you click Get Access, you will see the new indicators hit your charts. Okay, today I tested this on my dad's account, as you guys can see here. And it gave him access to all of Trusted Signals indicators. And I want to go ahead and let you guys know that this thing does work, okay? The back end of Trusted Signals works as long as you're using the proper information, okay? So as you guys can see here, the Trend Meter bot, this is the main bot that you guys are going to get access to right here. Boom. And it looks like this, Trend Meter bot. As you guys can see here, this is where we're at, the Trend Meter bot, and it shows you a bunch of things that are, built into it, whatnot. So essentially, that's all you have to do, okay? If you have already done this in the past, all you have to do is log in and press Get Access, and it's gonna go ahead and always give you access to the new indicators when a new indicator is released. So it's very simple. This is all you have to do. And as well, if you want to go ahead and get access to the brokers that we're using, you can also click brokers right here. And as you guys can see here, Fintura is listed. And this is the broker that we're going to go ahead and be using. You can register using the link in the description. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the settings. The settings for this are very simple. We didn't change much. Now, keep in mind that with these settings, what we're going to go ahead and do is this, right? This is the settings for longs only. So if you're bullish, completely bullish on Trusted Signals, on BTC, we're looking at longs only. So this is the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and change. Obviously, in order to get the backtestable results, you're going to want to click trade. So that's the first thing that you have to do once you get this on your charts. Money management, click trade, longs only, okay? Longs only. Then you're gonna wanna go ahead and stroll down. Stop loss input for this specific setting is high and low, and our look back length, okay? I've already acknowledged this to the developer to go ahead and remove the C. And that's a user error. Obviously, the devs, are from another location, so this happens. But yeah, so stop loss, we're going to go ahead and look at the high and low of the last 50 candles, okay? And that is very important, okay? The last 50 candles. This is our stop loss input. And keep in mind that you follow these settings, you're going to get the exact results as me, okay? Break even stop is going to be TP1. Trailing stop, right? So this is where we kind of, we have a few things that we can do here. Trailing stop is none for this specific settings. But if we go ahead and look at what our percentage of profitability is, we can go ahead and increase it. But then what ends up happening is it ends up hitting our stop loss too early in the trade, and then it doesn't give us that runner. But if we go ahead and put trailing stop to, like, let's say after TP1, essentially you could get higher percentage of profitability, but lower net profit and lower profit factor, okay? And keep in mind that I want you guys to go ahead and play with this because this thing is very strong, and there's a bunch of stop loss types, right? Which we'll go over in another video. There's a lot of trailing stop types that we will go over in another video. For this one, we're looking at trailing stop pips and points, 50, okay, and then trailing stop, really, we don't even have trailing stop, so we don't even need to do anything for that. And then for this one, we have risk to reward, and we pretty much left it as 0.50 TP1 is 1, and then TP2 is TP3 is 2. Okay, and that's just gonna go ahead and give us our take profits. Okay, and if you're not familiar with this and what it looks like, I'll even go ahead and put it right here so that way you guys can see what an open trade looks like. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this is exactly what would have looked like when we entered the trade, entered right here, and if we go ahead and press play, this is exactly how it played out. TP1 hit, TP2 hit, came up a little bit more, TP3 hit. All right, and we're still in this trade, and notice that right here, there is a trailing stop, okay? Trailing stop right there. That's gonna go ahead and keep us inside this trade. And right now we're still going because we have a runner. So we would have seen this go up, down, so on and so forth. And we don't have a trailing stop, but we have our stops move to break even, okay? So right there, it's a risk-free trade, and boom, we're still in this trade, as you guys can see here. And pretty much we're going to go ahead and exit the trade and get the exit alert as soon as it turns bearish on the trend meter. Okay, boom, right there. Right, guys? So we're exiting the trade. And like we said on that last, this is the reason why this thing is completely profitable. Okay, now let's go ahead and go down just a second. Okay, and we don't change anything else. That's all we change. Okay, we have a few things that you can play with right here, which is the trend band. And essentially what the trend bands are, if you're not familiar with this as well, they're different bands that are going to go ahead and give us different settings in this specific, let's exit this. As you guys can see here, 1 band, 2 band, 3 band, 4 band, and 5 band. And we actually explain that. If you guys want to go ahead and see what those different versions are, you guys can click this right here. And you guys can see right here, the trend bands. These are the different oscillators that we're using to go ahead and catch the trends, okay? The Fisher oscillator, the Arun oscillator, Larry Williams Prophecy Index oscillator, SSL indicator, and the high time frame SL indicators, right? So these right here, okay, these things right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these meters are all different indicators that are trend and volume and momentum based. So when all of these correlate, that is going to go ahead and give us the best entry points. Okay, guys? And like I said, the proof is in the pudding because you guys can see the results right here. So I hope that you guys like what we got going on here. And believe it or not, we have more indicators for you guys right here. I will show you these very, very soon. We actually have V1, V2 backtestable VOTs. We actually have a new reversal meter, right? These are new reversal meters. It's not the trend meter. It's a reversal meter. And keep in mind that all of these tools are going to be available for lifetime members. And there's no better time to get lifetime membership than now. Okay, guys? Holla at your boy. Until the next video, you already know what it is. Crispy out. I promise we working, baby.